how to download apps without payment method in iPhone. So if you want to download apps without payment method in iPhone, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your settings. After opening your settings, scroll down, go with the general section. Under general, you need to scroll down again, go with language and region. And from here, you need to select a region. Make sure you've selected your country and your region correctly. And then you can go back. After this, you have to open your Apple account. So tap on your account. Scroll down, go with media and purchases. After that, you'll have view account option. Tap on view account. After that, you'll have this kind of interface. It might ask you for your Apple password, so you just need simply enter your password. After entering your password, you'll have country and region. Tap on country and region, and you'll have an option to change your country and region. You need to go and change it. But if you don't have a payment method, then you might need to add your payment method while changing your country. So you can add your payment method and it might fix your problem. But in my case, I don't have any payment methods. So as you can see that if I go with manage payments, then I don't have any payment methods. It says add payment method. But even if I don't have my payment method, I'll be able to download any apps that I want or install any apps that I want without any payment method. So it might just be in server error. You can just simply go and restart your device, or just simply go with shutdown and again restart, and your problem might be fixed. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.